Well guys, it's official. If you can't tell by the shirt I'm wearing or by the title of this YouTube, my FJ is finally getting dirtking products. As many of you guys know, I do have an FJ. I haven't really posted on YouTube, but I'm gonna start posting this more often because it's a pretty rad FJ. So I'm gonna be running their mid-travel Prerunner Kit with their performance lower control arms. So as of right now, my lower control arms are stock, and then the suspension I have currently is Inspired Overland. Used to make suspension and they called it Inspired Performance. So I had their billet uppers, their coilovers with the reservoirs up front. Plus, I'm also running their upper and lower trail arms. Reason why I'm changing it is because I really want to get into like pre-running my car. Camping is fun and all, but really want to test the FJ. So I think going with dirtking was a great option. So let's go check out the dirtking product I got. So here it is, all the goodies. We got the performance lower control arms, we got the billet uppers, and then we got the front and rear shocks with reservoirs. If you guys don't know who dirtking is, you guys are sleeping, because these guys' product is off the charts. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This thing looks sick. The color on this suspension is kind of like a black with like silver accents, but now I'm going with like a black with gold accents. I love their branding. It's just really bold, and I don't know, it's a big statement, you know, rock and gold. I'm here. I don't know if I can even say that I'm here, but I'm at the original warehouse of R1. A good friend of mine, Rex, is gonna help me install this because unfortunately I don't know how to install suspension. I mean, I'm gonna learn right now because I want to be hands-on, so I want to like actually learn it. But this is gonna be a really fun install video. I'm more excited for taking this beast out, testing out the dirtking suspension, because I've already tested this one out. I'm excited to test out the dirtking one. So right here we got the, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, so drop down a comment if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but these are the gussets, I'm guessing. He just had to like weld them really quick. I don't know what these are for, but I'm guessing it's something for the suspension. I like that little shot, it's cool. All right, if you guys don't know, this is Rex from R1.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
Yeah, so he's pretty much the guy that's gonna help me do this. He's the homie. You guys, yeah, dude.
We're gonna do this together, dude.
We're gonna do this together. I'm gonna take the wheels and take the wheels out, and then
Clothing is optional.
clothing is optional. But I kind of get the concept. I just don't know how to like do it.
Yeah,
so
see, I don't know either.
just have me as your handyman. Like I'm your handyman. So if you need a tool,
Handyman.
yeah.
Dude, sometimes
So if you need like a 10 or a 15, just hey Jason, give me a 15. I got you.
I get those feelings, dude.
Yeah.
I need a handyman, you know?
Yeah, I got you. But have you ever seen the product in person?
No, we're gonna find it out once I load this thing in there, and we'll get it all on tape, so the world can see.
Also, he works at R1, and I have their rotors and pads on here as well. Oh, this is probably the first time some of you guys have seen my new wheels. I got the new scale wheels on, and they look fire. If you guys don't know who Eric is, he's like the media guy over at R1. Dude, that video you did at the Jeep one, I think it was like 2 videos ago, that shit was clean.
Oh, Josh did that one.
I just like that vibe.
Yeah, it's good that he used like the actual song.
Yeah, like you started off with him singing, and you kept that throughout the video, and it was really, really cool. Alright, wheels are off.
Ooh, look at that.
R1 rotors. Let's check out the product. Looks beautiful. Rear 13 looks great. Time for the uppers. More stickers. I love stickers. I got 2 packs of stickers. Instructions. And bam, the actual uppers. Here's all laid out. We got the fronts, the rears, the reservoirs. Look of the old uppers and the new ones. It's a complete difference. The dirtkings are a lot more beefier. Alright, Rex just got all the front suspension off. Alright, hopefully I don't get monetized because of the music, but pretty much the rear shocks are off, the front shocks are off, all the uppers, the lowers. Right now what Rex did is he started cleaning this up. So right now he's gonna weld on the gussets right here and right there. We got the weld mag out here. Yeah, bro, I didn't know you can weld. I didn't know you can weld. I mean, let me show the beat. Look at this. Look at Rex's weld, bro.
I get by.
That's pretty good.
I get by.
I'm new to this. What are these for?
These are the cam tabs. So these were the ones before here. They're known for flattening out. So these are a lot stronger. These are known for just flattening out, just for like heavier off-roading, because this has like a thinner piece. So now with these, they're a lot stronger, holds up. I mean, you do it. We have it on all the off-road rims that we do. Once you start getting into heavier suspension, you know, getting into like heavier, you know, stuff in the desert, this is what you want to do. Just
so you
a precaution.
So you're saying I stepped up my suspension level?
Yeah.
There you go.
Got all the, you're doing your lowers, uppers, shocks. We're gonna go jump this thing soon. It's pretty much set up, you know. We gotta get you some upgraded stock bugs.
And then tie rods too, no? What do you think?
Tie rods, yeah, I mean, you're good stock. Just get some spares. But we gotta leave you. This says, hey, take me out.
I'm gonna take you out, bro.
Don't get too close. Don't get too close.
That looks good. And the new lures. I love these. These things are sick. This is originally what I wanted from dirtking. And then, yeah, ended up getting the whole mid-travel pre-runner kit. Bam. These performance lures come with like these skid plates. So that's pretty cool. And then they have the branding on there. Here's the lower skid plate.
This guy first. Slide that in, bro.
It looks so good. Love the gold and black combo. Alright guys, well this is pretty much it. Rex just finished. So here's how the rear sits. It's the rear shock. And then here's the back side of it. You guys can check it out. There you go guys. So that's the rear. Let's go check out the front. And this is the final result. You got the reservoirs, the uppers, the shocks, coils, and lowers. Damn bro. The Hulk right here, dude.
Yeah.
So I guess these come with a dual compressor adjusters. What things? Oh, it's ready?
Yeah.
It's official.
Oh, yeah.
You do the honors.
Nah, it's your truck, bro.
Yeah, but you did the install.
Yeah, so let me get the biggest sledgehammer I got.
Yeah. Lube with your spit. Damn, bro.
There you go.
Yeah.
We did that for Paul. $20, Paul. Pay up.
You got that forever because it's gonna be in the video.
There you go. Now you gotta do the other side.
Oh, I'm not. Can you lick it for me though?
Nah. Your turn, Jay. Blood in, blood out.
Blood in.
Blood in, blood out.
Oh yeah.
Careful.
Oh, good.
You guys actually licked it. You guys are fucking wild.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, that's what it is. You want one?
Yeah.
You can pick it up with your pinky, bro.
The jumper on it.
Yeah.
It's a little loose right now, but dude, you gotta feel this thing. Just shake it. You can feel how light it is.
You can literally pick it up with your pinky, bro.
But
This is not even connected, look. Broken. It sits so good with those wheels. Well guys, that was the end of this video. I just want to give a huge shout out to Rex because he pretty much did the entire suspension on it and I could have done it without him. So thank you so much Rex for that. If I'm sweating and dirty, man, it's because it's kind of hot in here. But yeah, I'll start getting content on actually using the suspension. It's not just going to be a mall crawler. Like, it's not just going to go to parking lot meets. Like, I'm actually going to take this out to the dirt and actually use the suspension like what it was designed for. So again, shout out Rex for helping me with the install, and then shout out dirtking for collaborating with me on my build, because this setup is dialed. And another sponsor, also Scale. Thank you for these. These look amazing. They pair really well with the Toyos and the R1 rotors. So that was the end of this video, guys. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.